Flowers and bees are always together. They aren't really friends, but rather helping each other. Flowers need to send pollen to other flowers to make fruits and seeds. Bees need nectar and pollen for food. When a bee flies into a flower to eat nectar, a lot of pollen sticks to its body. When it flies to another flower, that pollen falls onto the new flower. In this way, the flower completes its task, and the bee gets a full meal. They both need each other to live better. It's a beautiful partnership in nature.